Hi, this is Paul, and in just a minute, I'm going to tell you about a resource that will forever change the way you do your taxes. But before I do, let me quickly share with you why Tax Tool Express is that resource. I say that because there is no other application that helps you itemize and categorize your deductions. That's right. This is the only resource available that performs both of those operations. But even beyond that, it's so easy to learn and use, that it stands alone as the must-have tax tool. After all, what good is an application if it's too complicated to use? When itemizing your taxes, you previously only had two choices: sort receipts and statements, then organize deductions, or hire a tax professional to do that for you. There are problems with both these options. First, keeping your receipts organized is a challenge unto itself. Then plowing through your bank or credit card statements to extract qualifying deductions is a monumental task. Then finding ample space for spreading out receipts, statements, ledger and calculator is a headache, and it happens every single year. The IRS states that record-keeping is challenging, but it's your best defense against an audit. They add that most business owners spend an average of 24 hours preparing their tax returns, or spend up to $2,500 to hire a tax professional. Or both. Who has time or money for that? Unfortunately, I know about these challenges all too well, because I was audited by the IRS. Friend, let me tell you, that is not fun. What I realized, however, that even when I presented my records and receipts, all they were interested in were my bank statements. So, if the IRS feels that bank statements are the most accurate record of one's financial activity, then I should start there when preparing my tax return. Makes perfect sense, right? After all, banking institutions are required to track every penny of each account they service. Plus, they provide an awesome free service. Anyone can download statements of their entire year in an Excel format. Well, that's a game changer. Unfortunately, downloading the bank statement is just the starting point. I realized the challenge was extracting rows of data, organizing the information, categorizing the deductions, and totaling the amounts. Okay, I can see where that 24-hour average comes in. But now I was on a quest. There had to be a solution. After investing tons of time, my quest did ultimately pay off. I actually built this amazing application, which is how I know that while it isn't impossible to do, it sure isn't easy. At a minimum, it takes tons of time and lots of trial and error. After all that hard work, I'm finally pleased with the finished product I'm offering to you. That is how I know that you will absolutely love it. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about this application I created that's infinitely easier, faster, and cheaper than any options available. It actually pays for itself. Introducing Tax Tool Express. Itemizing deductions just got easy. I'm talking about an application that puts time back in your life, increasing your accuracy in itemizing deductions, reducing stress, and most importantly, saving you money. The beauty of Tax Tool Express is that it automates the process of filtering, organizing, and sorting your bank and/or credit card statements. It literally reduces your statements by 80%. Just look at the features available to you. Features like filtering, organizing, and sorting your bank statement in seconds. Yes, seconds. Color categorizing your deductions in minutes. Totaling a category with a simple mouse click. Easily selecting IRS forms and assigning category totals to each form. Printing your work as a record and then a template for next year's taxes. With Tax Tool Express, you'll get all the features and shortcuts I developed using everything I learned during my quest. Plus, you'll enjoy saving time, a ton of time, reducing stress, total accuracy, working directly from your bank statement, saving money by finding hidden deductions, a template for next year's taxes, another huge time saver, and much, much more. With such a great advantage, you'll feel giddy. This application is an unbelievable value, because it's inexpensive, and incredibly easy to learn and operate, making it ideal for anyone, regardless of your financial status. With Tax Tool Express, you'll get step-by-step pictorial instructions on how you can be using it in minutes, even if right now, you have no idea where to begin. You'll be amazed at how quickly you've processed your statement, itemized and categorized your deductions, and completed your tax return. Those are just some of the reasons you'll find that an investment in Tax Tool Express really does pay for itself. Plus, that investment continues to pay dividends for years to come. Tax Tool Express is unbelievably simple to use. Start by downloading your bank statement. Then, paste your statement into Tax Tool Express. Click the Go button and Tax Tool Express will filter, organize and sort your statement. Then, categorize deductions by color, highlighting each one. It only takes a few seconds per category. After that, it's just a mouse click to view a total. That's it. It's that easy. Yes, it really is that simple. So, by now, you're probably wondering, how much does Tax Tool Express cost? With a shockingly low 6-month subscription of $79.99, you're getting this amazing resource you won't find anywhere else. That's it. No hidden charges. No upgrades to pay for. You get the full package for one small payment of $79.99. To download this amazing tool, go to taxtoolexpress.com. Once you've entered your payment information, you can immediately start using Tax Tool Express. Do yourself and your family a huge favor, and download your copy today. If you're ready to greatly slash your time in preparing your taxes, relieve stress, and enjoy more of what life has to offer, download Tax Tool Express today. It might just be the best investment you ever make.